Are your loyal fans really loyal? The harsh truth. Most fans are just passive. Think your 1 million subs mean 1 million guaranteed views? Nope. Most fans? They're not diehard. They're casual. They hit subscribe once and forgot. YouTube doesn't show them all your videos, and even if it does, they might not care. 2. Loyalty is a lie. Engagement is the truth. Your real fans? They don't just watch. They engage. They like. They comment. They rewatch. They buy your merch. They show up every time. Subscriber count? A vanity metric? Engagement? That's real loyalty. 3. The 90 by 10 rule. Your true fans are just 10%. 90% of your audience? Ghosts. They barely interact. They don't even remember why they subscribed. Your true fans? They're that 10% who comment, share, and follow you everywhere. They keep you alive. 4. YouTube's biggest betrayal, the algorithm moves on. That viral video? It gave you subscribers, but not loyal ones. YouTube's algorithm pushes trends, not creators. If your content shifts most of your audience, gone. That's why some YouTubers pull millions one month and disappear the next. 5. How to find and keep your true fans. Want loyal fans? Give them reasons to stay. 1. Engage with them. Reply to comments. Make them feel seen. 2. Give them exclusives. Content that makes them feel special. 3. Monetize smart. Sell something that connects, not just cash grabs. So, do you have fans or just numbers? Your real fans? They're rare. Treat them right or lose them forever.